What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. Wiz Constrictors in the building. Okay. I'm out here on my summertime vibe, you know what I'm saying? But new video, new pickup. Y'all know what that means. But before we get into that, y'all know what time it is, man. Hit that intro. Alright, let's get into it. You know me and my recent loss. Pretty sure you know what this is. If you don't, then you will get to see one of the most prime examples of this gene that's ever been produced, in my opinion. Not nice pack. I'll say cryo pack. The new cryo packs. Package good. Can't move. Is over there. Let's make sure I'm in frame. Yeah, boy. Super excited about this. There he is. I don't even want to say what it is, but I'm sure y'all can tell what it is by that. Crazy lacing going on the side gut. Hashtag side gut. But this guy's an even better example of the original one that I lost. So I'm excited. You're gonna do big things in the next let's say year. In the next 6, 8, 9 months. But you know what it is, man. We're gonna get him in that light box and get a good look at him. Let's go. There he is, much, much closer to his true colors. And the, like I said, the expression of the lace on this one is much better, in my opinion. And I don't think there was any yellow belly in the pairing, but it definitely looks like it's a yellow belly lace. But I think it's just a white lace, or a yellow belly white lace is what I meant to say. But I think it's just a single G, or the double dose of the lace gene. But you guys will be able to see how it ages a lot better this way too, because I'll be able to keep y'all updated throughout the aging process. But pay attention to the blacks. Pay attention to this like gravelly kind of look going on inside the alien heads, and pay attention to how dark the blacks are. Like there was a spot I noticed where it was some blushing. There you go. So you could really see how, if it'll focus, you can really see how dark the blacks are. So big things coming, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get to that outro. So I was hoping to get some nice, wonderful outdoor footage of the boy, but he actually look like he's going into blue right now. But yes, sir. Major plans, man, coming for that dude. Like I said, it's even a better expression than the original one that I had, in my opinion. So, all things to the good, man. You know what it is. Everything happened for a reason, I believe, and the loss of the original one was just a setback. I mean, granted, no one wants to have a snake lost or anything like that, but you know, stuff happens, so it is what it is, man. Friday, so you know what that means, man. It's Hair Down Fridays. If you're watching this, make sure you tune in for that. It's right after my favorite reptile podcast. The homie Ray got the VPI villain himself, the V Unit, Emilio from Villarino Reptiles, man. So y'all make sure y'all go check that man out, and then after that, stay there for Hair Down, man. Tune in to Keys channel, and you know, keep the vibe going, keep everything moving. And then tomorrow night, it's your boy, me and Joey D, Sophisticated Ignorance Podcast, man. Y'all know what it is. Do the things, man. Hit them buttons, like, share, subscribe, all that. Make sure to ring the bell. I'm coming more often. I say that every time, but I really mean it this time. Y'all keep rocking with me, man. Till the next time. Peace.